also a feature where you have local artists and where they play, because most of them already have regular gigs. We're really trying to find. But the only thing is we found websites that died 3 years ago, 2 years ago. So basically this is like memo we presented because everybody is advertising for memes. So let's solve your problem. Why? Because we are not just going to tell you where are the restaurants and what do they offer. For all the managers who will be able to see the reservations and act on them in the same moment. So basically through search engine optimizations and also we are going to help them create a promotion or discount suitable for their restaurant. Because to insert a short example, we don't want to work with big restaurants who already have their advertising. There's also small restaurants who have dead hours. So basically what our app will also do, it's actually really, really concerning that only 28% of the people answered no. How we are going to earn money in future plans, because for this to be successful, not to go like all the other companies, we need media support. So when we contacted for feedback, the feedback was absolutely amazing.